Beyond Meat is back up. So we've been covering Beyond Meat, I would like to think, more than any other food industry podcast. And the reason we've been doing that is because first there was reporting that Beyond Meat was going bankrupt, and everyone put it as a sign of where plant-based alternative proteins are at. We then learned that they were not bankrupt, and that was just media spin. We then learned that their stock like totally tanked, and if that was one of my most viewed recent videos in a while. Well, over the weekend, this stock has gone insane again, a la the meme stock GameStop scenario that we saw in 2021. The borderline improbable has happened, in my opinion, as Beyond Meat stock has taken on a life of its own. It is wild to see these food companies be meme stocked. I'm interested to see where it goes. They surged on the news of expansion and distribution to Walmart, but there also seemed to be an opening. Quote, Beyond Meat Inc. shares jumped as much as 73% soon after the opening bell, boosting its 4-day rally to over 1,100% in an echo of the meme stock frenzies that have been periodically set off unusually large jumps and beaten down stocks championed by day traders. Shares in the struggling maker of plant based burgers and sausages surged as high as $6.28. The stock, which closed at 52 cents on Thursday, is still down more than 95% from its record high in 2019. Quote, is definitely a sign that the level of speculation and froth in the market is still extremely high. The momentum, Matt Maley, chief market strategist at Miller Tabak plus Co. LLC, the momentum may have been powered by bearish traders covering their bets against Beyond Meat. 64% of the shares available for trading have been sold short as of the end of September. Roundhill Investments added Beyond Meat to its Roundhill meme stock ETF, the firm said in a post on X late Monday. Another well-known consumer stock that's attracted meme traders in the past also is rallying this week. Donut shop owner Krispy Kreme Inc. shares climbed 34%. We keep hearing people say that the market is not as extended as it was during the internet bubble. This might be true, but that doesn't mean that the market is still not very extended, and this kind of action proves that it is. The rally took another leg higher on Tuesday when the company announced that Walmart Inc. will expand the availability of its products to more than 2,000 stores. Quote, a deal to increase distribution is great if sales follow, but looking at consumer sentiment over meat replicas, it's clear Beyond Meat has a huge mountain to climb, Danny Houston, head of financial analysis at AG Bell, said. The current flurry of activity seems to have more to do with a short squeeze than any real shift in investor appetite for the stock. About $5.9 billion of shares changed hands Tuesday, equal to 4.2 times the company's market value at the close. The company was worth less than $40 million on Thursday. Beyond Meat shares plunged early last week when the company said nearly all creditors had accepted a debt swap that will lead to a substantial dilution for shareholders. It has 6 sell equivalent recommendations, 5 holds, and no buy ratings. My thoughts, we've been covering this nonstop. This is obviously not financial advice, but it's just wild. Like Justin and I were sitting there over the weekend. It's like, wow, this like Beyond Meat stock tanking really like took off, and it's getting meme stock. I mean, people are seeing it really low and they're like trying to pump money out of it. I mean, this is just the future of the food industry. Do I think this means anything positive for Beyond Meat? I don't think so necessarily, but you never know. I mean, maybe they rally, maybe they get a influx of cash they need. I don't really understand like what the meme stocks do to a company like this. I don't think they do much, but it'd be interesting to see what they do. And it's just a wild story. Beyond Meat just finding itself within the meme stockification of our economy.